In this video, I'll guide you through how to upgrade your Xero plan if you're outgrowing your current subscription, need more features, or just want to adjust what you're paying for. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need to make inside Xero so you can upgrade with confidence. First, open your browser and go to Xero.com. Sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Make sure you're using an account that has the right permissions to manage billing and subscriptions. Usually this means you're either the subscriber or have admin access. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard for your organization, you're ready to get started. At the top left of the screen, you'll see your organization's name. This is usually next to the Xero logo. Click on your organization's name to open the drop-down menu. This menu is where you can switch organizations if you have more than one, and it also gives you access to key settings and subscription options. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct organization, especially if you manage multiple businesses in Xero. From that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Subscription and Billing and click it. This section is where Xero keeps all the details about your current plan, your billing history, and your payment information. Once this page loads, you'll see information about the plan you're currently on, the billing frequency, and possibly any add-ons you already have. On this subscription and billing page, find and click the Buy Now button. Even though it says Buy Now, this is also where you go to upgrade or change an existing plan, not just purchase a brand new subscription. Clicking Buy Now will take you into the plan selection flow. Next, you'll see a list of available Xero plans. Take a moment to compare the options here. Look at what each plan includes, such as the number of invoices, bank reconciliation features, payroll options, or multi-currency support. When you've decided which plan fits your needs, select that plan, then click Continue to Add-ons. This moves you forward in the process and lets you fine-tune your subscription. On the add-ons screen, you can review and choose any extra features Xero offers for your region, like additional users, advanced analytics, or other tools that sit on top of your base plan. If you don't need anything extra right now, that's fine. You can usually add these later. Once you're happy with your selection, click Continue to Billing Account. You'll now be taken to the Billing Account section. Here, confirm your billing details, check that the billing contact address and payment method are correct. If you need to update your credit card or payment information, this is the place to do it. When everything looks accurate, click Continue to Review and Pay. On the final screen, you'll see a summary of your new plan, any add-ons, and the total amount you'll be charged, including whether it's monthly or annually. Carefully review this information so there are no surprises on your next invoice. If everything looks good, follow the on-screen prompt to complete the upgrade. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to upgrade your Xero plan from opening the site to choosing a new plan right through to reviewing your payment